Recreational marijuana being legal in Michigan is still a problem for anyone in a driver's license restoration case. The key thing to a driver's license appeal is to show that you've been alcohol and or drug-free for a sufficient period of time, and you have the commitment tools to remain sober, meaning alcohol and or drug-free, thereafter. The state doesn't care that marijuana is legal. Drinking is legal as well. The state has drawn its line in the sand and said, once you've been convicted of 2 or more DUIs, your relationship to alcohol is risky. We've revoked your license, and the only way you will ever get it back is to show us that you no longer drink. The state is never going to consider someone coming forward and saying, I don't drink like I used to, or I only drink once in a while, or I would never drink and drive. From the state's point of view, the law says if you have any relationship to alcohol, you're not eligible to win your license back. And it's taken even a step further, because if a person shows up and says they even think they could ever drink again, they'll be denied in their license appeal. Marijuana is just another substance. It doesn't matter whether you say, I won't drink, but I will smoke weed, or I won't drink or smoke weed, but I'll use cocaine, or I won't drink or smoke weed or use cocaine, but I'd like to take some Xanax. You must refrain from any and all mood or mind-altering substances and any drug or medication that is potentially habit-forming. So the legality of marijuana has zero impact on your ability to get a driver's license any more than the legality of alcohol. You must prove that you are clean and sober and that you have quit for good.